2006 Chevy Silverado 4.8, lower, sexy wheels, white, all that good stuff on it. Got high flow cats on it there and right there. Then it winds into a single. Then he's been watching our videos and brought his own Carven R. There'll be a link in the description for it. And we ran 2.5-inch pipe out the back on it for him because it's lowered, so you can't fit 3-inch on there. So we ran 2.5 out the back right there with a dual tip. There'll be a link in the description for it also. Give it that angle cut look. Really clean. There's the Carven, really clean. So we'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. It came with, didn't have anything on it, so we added all that to it. There it is, right there. We'll let you guys hear it. I hope you like it. Uh-oh. 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 Okay. I don't know, you guys got 5 stars. That sounds good. Carven R. Again. 113. Again. I like it. She's low. Definitely low. What do you guys think? I'll let you guys hear on the inside. Chevy Silverado single cab, Carven TR, 2.5-inch pipe, dual tip out the back. Clean looking truck, 4.8 liter.